Hi, and welcome once again to Cure Candida Yeast Infection. This time we will see some helpful tips to treating yeast infection in a natural way. Yeast infection in the vagina is caused by the overgrowth of a fungal strain that normally inhabits the body, Candida albicans. There are particular environmental conditions that can make a suitable thriving place for the fungal strain to proliferate. Some of the common symptoms of vaginal yeast infection include irritation, cheesy white vaginal discharges, intense itching and burning and redness in the area. These symptoms can be cleared up through the use of yeast infection natural treatments. Here are some. 1. Consume yogurt. It has beneficial bacteria called acidophilus and bifidus that combat harmful yeasts. It also does wonders when applied directly into the vagina. Use plain yogurt on sterile tampon. Insert this directly into the vagina by making use of a plastic tampon applicator or your finger. 2. You may also take in some probiotic supplements. This may be purchased in your local health stores. Use accordingly in relevance to directions found on the label of the bottle. 3. Vinegar can also be used as one of the most effective yeast infection treatments. Soak a tampon on a solution of 1 up to 3 tablespoons worth of vinegar mixed in a quart of water. Do this once every day until the symptoms clear up. However, do not do this for over a week. If you are really not knowledgeable about Candida or never had it before, you should consult your doctor first in order to obtain an accurate diagnosis. If symptoms continue to manifest or if you have certain medical concerns, it is recommended that you see a physician. This information on yeast infection natural treatments is not intended to be a substitute for professional treatment. If you need more information or want a definitive solution for yeast infection, you can visit my website. Here you will find the most powerful natural treatment for yeast infection that exists today. For your convenience, you just have to click on the red button pointing arrows.